We're going to go on ChatGPT and we're going to ask what is the most profitable niche on YouTube. And then they're going to start typing their answer. And according to ChatGPT, the most profitable niches include gaming, beauty and fashion, cooking and food, vlogs and travel, health and wellness, and technology and gadgets. And this can also depend on the demand, and it can also depend on the skills of the content creator. And then we're going to ask ChatGPT to explain more about this topic. It's saying that the gaming niche is very profitable because it has a large and engaged audience, and that there are gaming-related products and services that advertisers are willing to pay creators to promote. So for the beauty and fashion niche, and it's also a profitable niche because a lot of people are interested in fashion tips, makeup tutorials, and product reviews. And that's why you see a lot of influencers in this niche. And for the food niche, a lot of people are constantly looking up recipes that they can try, and people are always going to be looking for places with the best food. With the travel niche, people are interested in travel tips and destination reviews. And with the health niche, people are interested in fitness and nutrition tips. And with the tech niche, a lot of people are always going to look for reviews about certain gadgets. And if we wanted to start a YouTube channel in one of these niches, and we don't know what videos to post, then we can ask ChatGPT to give us some video ideas. So now ChatGPT is going to give us some video ideas in the gaming niche. The first idea is to record ourselves playing video games, and you can do this either with your face or without. The second idea is to provide game reviews of different products. The third idea is to create step-by-step guides for completing challenging levels or missions in video games. The fourth idea is to create lists of the best video games in specific genres such as action, strategy, or adventure. The fifth idea is to provide news and updates on the best trending games. And you can also teach other people how to create their own video games. You can create game debates and speedruns, and you can also talk about the history behind video games, or you can also perform skits. And we're going to do the same thing with the beauty and fashion niche. And you can do makeup tutorials, fashion hauls and outfit ideas for different occasions. You can also test and review different beauty products. You can also share your morning or nighttime routine. You can do a get ready with me. You can give fashion and beauty hacks. You can give style and fashion advice. You can talk about the beauty and fashion trends, and you can also do a fashion and beauty Q&A. Ideas for the food and cooking niche include recipe tutorials, food reviews, cooking challenges, meal prep and planning, kitchen hacks and tips, food and cooking vlogs. You can do a series where you show people how to cook on a budget. You can do food and drink tutorials. You can talk about food history and culture. And you can do a food and cooking Q&A. Ideas in the travel and vlogging niche include destination vlogs, travel hauls and outfit ideas, travel tips and tricks, food and culture tours, accommodation reviews, behind-the-scene travel vlogs, road trip vlogs, travel documentary style vlogs, and travel Q&A. Ideas in the health and wellness niche include workout tutorials and exercises, healthy recipe tutorials, mindfulness and meditation, health and wellness challenges, product reviews and recommendations, daily health and wellness routines, inspiring health and wellness stories, health and wellness Q&A, and lifestyle and habits. Ideas in the tech and gadget niche include gadget reviews, unboxing and first impressions, technology news and trends, how-to guides and tutorials, gadget comparison, behind-the-scenes tech Q&A, future tech and predictions, gaming hardware and accessories, and productivity and office tech.